So this is the hair extension we are going to be using for this viral cocoa twist hairstyle. So we are going to cut the hair extension into three like this. I let my client, which is my sister, help me. So I'm cutting it here and I'm still going to cut this other way, making it 1 into 3. Like, it's always good to cut this hair shorter and you can add the hair while twisting or while braiding, because that way it's more economical. So let's go right into the video. Yes guys, so at this point I just go ahead and section the portion I will be using, and I go ahead and detangle the hair. You want to detangle it so that when you are twisting you don't have frizz in the hair. Yes, and if you want to achieve like the real cocoa twist, you have to make sure you plait the hair or twist the hair in smaller portions so that it should be thick. That way it gives or it brings out the beauty. So I just went ahead and twist or and pick the hair here, and you can still use the method of knotless braid, but I just prefer doing it at once like this. So we'll go ahead and start twisting, and I'm making sure I hide her natural hair in between the hair extension. And normally majority of people like myself twist from the right to the left, but this hair extension, when I twist from right to left, it's not giving that bouncy effect. So it needs that it should be twisted from left to the right. You get? So I'm not used to twisting from left to right, but because I want this to come out looking beautiful, I had to twist from left to right. So you see, when I take the hair extension, I always ensure I detangle it, like to remove all the hairs flying in it, so that when I'm twisting the twist is smooth. So I go ahead and repeat the same process. I pick the hair, and after doing that, the other portion that I separated with my finger to give 3 strands, I just go ahead like this and put it back together, ensuring that her natural hair is in between the kinky hair, and I start twisting. From the beginning I will twine before I twist, and at this point I'm not twining the hair, I just flip it over. Like, it's just flipping over. It's not like the regular Senegalese twist that we have to twine the hair before flipping it over to make it solid. No, with this kinky hair you just flip it over and make it tighter, and at the end of it, everything is very bouncy. Guys, see that? So welcome to my channel, guys. Like, thank you all for the likes, the comment, I see them. Thank you all for subscribing to my channel, and if this is your first time coming here, you're welcome. Make sure and don't forget to subscribe. We are making the world a better place in our own little ways, and I'm basically repeating the same process. Share this video with whomever needs to watch the video. Like, if you need the same hairstyle recreated on you, you can share it with your hairstylist, and why not, they will go ahead and recreate the same hairstyle on you. So we are already at the end of this video. Let me give you people a brief story. At this point, this client walked in, she gave me her wig to customize it, and seeing her made me so happy, because I know that she was going to give me money. Like, the economy right now here in Cameroon is bad, so you can see her hand moving. She's explaining to me that she's not feeling well, that she was in the hospital, and that she has what they call Nessie antique. Oh, see, my best part, that is money. Of course, I perceive right there. I just collect and put it one time into my pocket, and that's her showing me another one that I was asking her for more money, and at this point she was just telling me, I don't have money again, this is all left with me, I'm from the hospital and I'm not feeling well. And I asked her, what are you sick of? She said, le nez sciatique. Oh, that's in French, I don't know what that means in English. Yeah, so she was just complimenting the hair at this point, and she was telling me she's going to come to her own hair, though she was complaining that places are really hot right now in Douala, Cameroon. But I was telling her that this hairstyle can be styled differently in a way that is very convenient, and that we are not going to allow it like this. We're going to knot the ends to make it look more beautiful. So guys, this is the last braid, and my sister is like, she's tempting me at this point, because why would somebody be sleeping at the end of her hair? She keeps on tilting the hair to one side, and when I arrange the hair, she brings it back. I still arrange it, but anyway, I love her like that. She's my favorite sister, and I love her. And guys, her hair came out very well, and boom, she did love it. So at this point, we are going to go back and tie or make a knot at the end of each braid or each twist, like this, to bring out that cocoa. Oh, I don't know, you see, this is what we have right here. So that's the last one. I'm twisting or making the knot at the end, and voila guys, see, we rub it to keep everything in place and so that it should be smooth. This is what we have, and see her blushing like she loved the hair. See her now. Oh, my sister was just feeling herself with this hair, like, and I also did love the hair. So let's go to the finishing. Like, every work for me is the finishing. So I'm just going ahead to put the most to seal the hairstyle in place and to give it that frizz and shine. Yes. So after mousing the hair, we are just going to go in with this shine spray to make, like, to bring everything back to life, like everything pop. You see how the scar is popping, the hair is popping. In fact, everything is giving what it's supposed to give. Yes guys, so please, if you are not subscribed to my channel, hey, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Oh, thank you guys for being with me, for staying with me right up to this point. So at this point, I proposed to her that we can go ahead and pack it like in two ponytails, like, you know, these baby hairstyles, right? And she said I should do whatever I want to do with the hair. So I went ahead and packed it into two buns like this, which is also another way that she can style it, and it came out looking good. Like, you see her feeling it, like she was just blushing. So guys, if there is any other model or design of this cocoa twist or any other hairstyle you want me to recreate, let me know in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this hairstyle. See the girl, see how she's beautiful. This is my sister, guys. So for the back view, the hair is looking good. I myself, I personally love the hair. See how full it is at the back, and how beautiful it is, and it really suits her very well. So if there are other hairstyles or other designs or version of this that you all want me to recreate, let me know in the comment section, and I'll be glad to do that. And for those of you based in Douala, Cameroon, please come and patronize me. I'm going to rebrand you. You're going to be looking as beautiful, good as she is. Why not even more than? Thank you all for watching this video right up to this point, and if you're not yet subscribed, please do. See you all in my next video. Bye, love you all.